investigation, but much water has flown under the bridge since then, and maybe it is time for a relook at this entire case. Dr. Abhishek Singhvi, the spokesperson of the Congress party and Rajya Sabha MP, joins us tonight. Prashant Bhushan, senior advocate of the Supreme Court. We've got Prashant Pandey, who's one of the original whistleblowers in the Vyapam case, also joining us tonight. We'll be joined by GVL Rao of the BJP and Neerja Chaudhary, senior journalist and commentator, here in the studio with us. Let me ask Prashant Bhushan the first question. Mr. Bhushan, one of the arguments that the BJP is giving today and over the last few days is that they cannot ask for a CBI probe because this is a case that is already being monitored by the High Court in Madhya Pradesh. And as Rajnath Singh said today, if the court asks for it, we will do it. Otherwise, we will not. As a lawyer, Mr. Bhushan, does that argument stand, or can Shivraj Chauhan still ask for a CBI probe and approach the court?
No, Shivraj Singh Chauhan can certainly ask for a CBI probe. All that he...
Yes, Abhishek Singhvi.
No.
Nidhi,
No, but we can't go to the court and say the media is questioning us. Therefore, take the investigation outside.
Okay. Let me get Dr. Singhvi to respond. Yes.
Nidhi, can I reply?
We have no objection to any probe.
Can I?
I
think we are missing the point altogether.
Yeah.
I think we are missing the point altogether. This is not any normal thing. When we talk of breathtaking, as Prashant Bhushan talks, let's see the breadth. We have handed out a statement today which you might have seen. It was discovered in 2009. The breadth, which is breathtaking, is 76.76, that is 76,76,000 candidates have acted under this Vyapam since 2009. There are 3,800 accused, 800 are absconding. Top ministers, personal private secretaries of chief minister, etc., are all official accused. Allegations abound against the chief minister and others. Now, in this scenario, first point, for the life of me, I can't understand how you can have the state doing it. The argument that the Supreme Court has rejected it, as I've said before, Mr. Rao came on the
making the point that the BJP government cannot approach the court and say we don't have faith in a probe that you are monitoring. Can they go to court and say that we should ask for a CBI probe or another investigating agency to probe?
Now, I'm glad you put that point. Yeah. Isn't that laughable, Nidhi? Isn't that laughable? Suppose tomorrow, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, to make both a legal and a political point, was to get up in the court and say, we have nothing to hide, we have done everything possible, but to set and assuage all apprehensions and allegations, I am ready for an outside SIT Supreme Court monitored probe. I am ready for. Or on a lesser basis, I am ready for CBI. Okay. Which law has told you or taught people law that the High Court prohibits it? There is no such prohibition.
Mr. Rao,
he has to make that statement, which would be both legally and politically expedient.
Yeah, Mr. Rao, what stops you then?
Possible. Therefore, the state government has nothing to do with the investigations currently underway. So the state cannot say, take it away from me. It's already away from the state government. But there is an STF which is investigating in which both the Jabalpur High Court and the Supreme Court
Mr. Rao, how can the Madhya Pradesh police probe this?
Nidhi, can the state government make a statement or not? Let the High Court refuse. Nidhi, can the state government make...
No, the courts have faith
very well.
in them.
Let me put it differently. Mr. Rao, I understand your point. Can the state government make a statement? We leave it to the court. If the High Court thinks appropriate, the state government is ready for a Supreme Court monitored probe and or the CBI.
Yes,
that
Mr.
statement, is it prohibited to be made by the state government before the High Court? How is it possible to say that?
State government has state government has already taken that position. It's a public position.
We have no... Have you said it in court?
Today the state government has rejected CBI.
Have you said it in court?
Today they've rejected CBI today only.
No, that's what I'm saying. Is that the position you've taken in court?
Morning. You see, that is the position that the chief minister has taken publicly.
No, I'm asking about what is the position the state government has taken in court, in the High Court.
No, I think the state government will be asked by the High Court or the Supreme Court very soon, possibly, because there is a case pending in the Supreme Court, and the High Court and the state government will take this position that we have no objection whatsoever to give this probe to any agency that the courts consider appropriate. The state government would not contest that at all. I think, does that not make it very clear?
So
let me
Prashant,
tell you, Nidhi, let me tell you, I'll be very happy to see what Mr. Rao is saying. But that has not happened even once till now. We appeared in the Supreme Court. The state vehemently, through the Attorney General, Mr. Rohgi, opposed any such request. The state in the High Court till yesterday has been opposing tooth and nail, saying there is an STF, there is an SIT, it's all intrastate,
yes, which is why
nothing
what
outside
Mr. Rao
state.
says is
They've
going to be
opposed
tested.
CBI, they've opposed SIT.
Is going to be
so
tested.
what Mr. Rao is saying is a fond hope in which I endorse him and support him, but that has never in one sentence or 100 sentences been the stand of the state government, not once.
All right, let me get a last
Mr.
word from
Mukul Rohgi
Prashant
argued
Pandey
the
and
contrary
Neerja
in front of
Chaudhary.
me vehemently.
Prashant Pandey, do you see that a statement of hope as well from Mr. Rao that this is a position the BJP government may take in court?
Is hiding behind technicalities.
Yes, and the courts.
Please,
And
please
you know, when
read
we
that
have a
order
situation,
first.
you
One moment,
virtually,
sir.
Read it
you
once
have,
more.
you have virtually are having a death by the day, as we have seen.
Actually, yeah.
And public opinion is agitated, and surely any democratic government must be responsible to public opinion. CBI inquiry is the least. People are now...
Come back. Shweta Rajpal Kohli will be here to take you through what the referendum in Greece means for India and for the world, and whether we should even care.